Are you tired of obsessing over vanity metrics like likes and shares that have little to do with actually growing your online business? Do you want to focus on metrics that actually matter when it comes to building an automated online business that runs even when you're not working? Well, today I'm going to share with you the 3 key metrics to focus on that are going to help you actually bring in revenue in your online business. And I'm also going to provide you with some examples of how these work in real life. Let's dive in. I do want to say that if you are new or you haven't picked it up yet, I created a 5-step action guide that helps you earn your first $500 per month of passive income. Can you make more than that? Obviously, but this is going to be really helpful for you if you see yourself creating content online or you want to coach people and build your coaching business through content and create passive income in particular. So it's really beneficial if you're a service provider. The biggest thing that people struggle with is how do I actually make it work? Inside this guide, I give you the exact roadmap and I give you the action steps as well, with a couple of different little videos to help you really wrap your head around the concepts and implement what you learn, because that is your only superpower, is implementation. This is the roadmap. It's up to you to actually take the steps and make it work so you can start earning your first $500 per month or more in passive income. Link down in the description, or you can also go to profityourknowledge.com/guide. It is my gift to you. It's totally free. Check it out and use it more importantly. So let's dive into the 3 key metrics that really grow an online business. Number 1 is traffic. How many monthly users are you getting to your blog, podcast, or YouTube channel? These sources of traffic, blog, podcast, YouTube, are a lot more passive than social media. But if you're on social media and you have a big following on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook or whatever it is, or Twitter, you can still use that traffic, because in the end, traffic is just eyeballs. The more quality traffic we can have that is filled with our ideal audience that we can really help, the better. But a good baseline that we should be aiming for is to get at least 3,000 monthly views. That's kind of what we're going for as a solid baseline to have a nice flow of traffic. Likes, shares, subscribes, those vanity metrics that make us feel good on the outside and kind of boost our ego, they are important in the sense that engagement does promote content more and it helps with traffic, but that alone isn't going to produce as much income as getting email opt-ins, which again is number 2. How much of that traffic is actually converting to email subscribers? If you're not building your email list or you have something against email, then do a little bit of research. I'm not going to dive into it. And you will soon realize that email is still the most powerful medium for creating actual income and making sales online and building an online business. A good baseline for the amount of traffic that converts into email subscribers is 2 to 5%. It may sound underwhelming, but again, in a little bit, we're going to get into a little bit of math and a couple scenarios on how this actually works. And then we move on to the 3rd key metric with it, which is sales from the opt-ins that you're getting. So you're getting this traffic. How many of those people are converting into email subscribers, which is your real audience? How many of those email subscribers are actually buying your product or taking the action you want them to take, like booking a phone call with you? That can work as well. So like opt-ins, 2 to 5% is a good baseline, but you can obviously go higher. So here are a couple of examples. I have 2 different scenarios, or 2 different types of people. So example number 1 is Carly. Carly has 3,000 visitors to her website. Let's say that Carly gets a 3% opt-in rate. So she's getting about 90 new subscribers each and every single month. That's running on autopilot through her blog, we'll say. 5% conversion rate for a $47 product. So she's making about 4 sales per month, 4.5 sales per month, coming out to right around $212 per month, running on autopilot. Let's say that Carly still has 3,000 visitors per month to her website. She still has that 3% opt-in rate. So she's getting her 90 subscribers per month, and she still has her 5% sales conversion rate, but she either boosted up the price from her $47 product to a $97 product, or she added a couple of extra bonuses to her $47 online course, let's say, and had a different tier. So there are 2 options. People can either get the $47 or the $97 version of her course. The $97 has a couple of extra bonuses, downloadable worksheets, things like that. It's a bit more sophisticated of a product. Okay, so same exact numbers. The only thing that changed is that now she's offering a $97 product. Now her revenue is going to jump from $212 per month to $437 per month, just by increasing the price, by doubling that price point. That is the tiniest shift. She didn't have to change the amount of traffic the amount of opt-ins or the percentage of sales conversion. None of it changed. She just increased the price or added a second tier so people have a different option, a higher priced option of the same product. Now let's say she gets a 9% opt-in rate, okay, instead of 3. So she jumped just her opt-in rate to 9%. Now instead of getting 90 new subscribers per month, she's getting 270 new subscribers on her email list every single month. Let's say that she still has that 5% sales conversion rate for that $47 product. We're not even talking about the 97. 3,000 visitors, 9% opt-in rate, 5% sales conversion rate for the $47 product. Now she's making about 13 sales per month, making $611 per month. I hope you can see how this is kind of working. Let's take the next example, which is Bob. Let's say that Bob gets 10,000 visitors per month to his website, so significantly more than Carly. Bob also has a 15% opt-in rate, so Bob's getting about 1,500 new subscribers every single month. He has a healthy business. Let's say that Bob's sales conversion rate is at 3%, and Bob is selling a $297 product. Bob's getting about 45 sales per month, making $13,365 per month. But the problem with Bob is that he has that 3% sales conversion rate. Okay, so we're going to touch on that, the opportunity that Bob has. Now, let's say, just like Carly, Bob has the same exact amount of traffic, 10,000 visitors per month, 15% opt-in rate. Instead of a $297 product, he's selling a $397 product. Now he can either just boost the price $100 so everybody gets that $397 option, or he can add a second tier, just like Carly did. If Bob just added that second tier and increased the price, and he made 45 sales per month, like he has been, Bob would jump from $13,000 per month to $17,865 per month, just because he changed the price point. You see how this is working? Let's do one more example with Bob. Let's say that Bob's getting his 10,000 visitors. He's got a 15% opt-in rate, so he's still getting 1,500 new email subscribers every month. But Bob took some time to really focus on his sales page copy, and he made his sales conversion rate go from the 3% to 5%. Bob's sales, just by bumping his sales conversion rate up 2%, would have went from 45 sales per month now to 75 sales per month with the same exact baseline product of $297. Now he's making $22,275 per month. I hope you can see how these small changes can actually make a really big impact in our business when we know what we're doing and when we are able to pay attention to what's actually working in our business. Okay, a lot of people, they're just focusing on these vanity metrics. I need to get more likes, subscribes. And if you watch like YouTube, for example, and follow any of these YouTube growth coaches, they only talk about, oh, here's how you can get more like views, you can get more subscribers. Like that stuff's cool, and it is great to build traffic, and it feels good to know that we're getting attention and eyeballs. But in the end, you could have all the subscribers in the world and you're making little to no money whatsoever. Paying attention to these metrics is what allows us as creators and content creators and coaches to actually focus on making real revenue. And you can do this even if you have a small audience. You don't need to have a crazy huge audience making millions of views every single month or anything like that. If you can just get to that 3,000 visitors per month and play around with your price point and notice your sales conversion, your opt-in rates, and those kind of things, you're going to be in a way better position than all those other people chasing vanity metrics out there online. I challenge you right now, or today or this week, to assess the health of your business by diving into your data. Pull up your analytics for your website traffic, how much people are landing on your blog or your website, your traffic opt-ins, how many people are opting in from that traffic number, and then look at your checkout pages. How many people are actually buying the product or products that you are really focusing on? But you just want to pay attention to how many people are showing up to my website every single month, how many of those people are opting in to get my lead magnet, and then how many of those people that opted in are actually buying my product or products or booking a phone call with me. Write these numbers out: traffic, opt-ins, and then sales. Those are your 3 metrics. Just look up these numbers over the past 3 months. Get all of it in front of you. You don't want to just keep this in your head like, oh, I think I'm getting about 15,000 monthly views. And then you look at it and you're like only getting 2,000. Pay attention to which one actually needs the most work. If we think about Bob before, he was getting 10,000 visitors per month. That's epic. He's getting a 15% opt-in rate. that is amazing. That's a really good opt-in rate, but his sales conversion rate was at 3%. So if Bob just laid these numbers out in front of himself, he would be able to see, wow, if I could just focus on getting my copy a bit better on my sales page or my sales process, I can have a better conversion rate. I can make a lot more money. Pay attention to where your business needs attention. For example, if you're barely getting traffic, focus on creating better quality content, focus on creating more quality content for your ideal audience to find you. That way you can get some more traffic in the door. Now, if you're getting traffic and you have a lead magnet, but you're getting like little to no opt-ins, but you're like, it doesn't make sense because I'm getting 5,000 visitors per month on my website, but no one's really opting in, then you either need to focus on creating a better lead magnet, or you need to touch up the actual copy of what it says, explaining the real benefit of what the lead magnet is. Okay, so it can be that simple, but it does kind of depend what it is you're offering. Obviously, I could help you if I assessed your business in particular. You kind of just need to test things, okay? Let's say you're getting steady traffic, you're getting about that 2 to 5 plus conversion rate for opt-ins, converting the traffic into actual email subscribers, but you're making little to no sales. Then you just need to reassess your sales copy. Buy a course on how to write better sales copy, on how to understand writing sales copy, read books, hire a coach, hire a copywriter, whatever. Just focus on it. Assessing where your business is at right now in terms of your traffic, opt-ins from the traffic, and then the actual sales you're making from your email subscriber opt-ins is going to help you assess the real health of your business. And then you can distinguish just by laying these 3 metrics out in front of you, which one do I need to work on? And when you pinpoint whether it's traffic, opt-in, or your sales conversion, double down on it. Okay, it's going to be obvious to you, but just double down on which one actually matters to you right now, which one is obvious. I hope this was eye-opening for you. I hope you got a lot out of this. Again, if you haven't already, pick up my 5-step action guide. It is a lead magnet, but it's super valuable. It's going to help you. If you really want to turn the things that you know, your ideas, your knowledge, your skill sets that you have that even may seem like normal things to you, it is pure gold to thousands and thousands, even millions of other people. As long as you have a great skill set and you can understand how to package that and then automate the sales process, you're going to be in a phenomenal position. That's exactly what I teach you inside of this 5-step guide. So 5 steps to earn your first $500 per month or more of passive income. It's my gift to you. It's free. It's in the description. Check it out. More importantly, use it. Let me know like what one big takeaway was from you, or better yet, which one of these do you know you need to work on? Which one of these actual metrics you're just like, I need to double down on this. Let me know down below. Give yourself a little bit of accountability. Take what you learned here, get out there, start paying attention to these, start doubling down on the metric that really matters for your business, and watch as the income starts to roll in. I will see you in the next one.